There we go. All right. All right, little snook. Got his higher tide, so he's up here near these mangroves, just waiting for bait to go by. He's a little guy. He's like 12 inches. Thanks, buddy. Another one. All right. There's number 2. See that point right there where the mangroves are? I like that point right there. And he slammed it. That was good. It's a nice fish. All right. Jumping right to me. Man, they're strong. All right, he's about 20 inches. Good fish. See, that's one of the things you gotta be careful of. When you get them snook, they'll fray that leader there. So it's best just to retie. I'm just gonna go ahead and retie it off real quick. There we go. I went a little bit deeper on that cast. I kind of pop with a pause. Yeah, usually it'll be a trout. They love that. When it falls, they'll just slam it usually. Alright, so we got a snook. 2 snook. A little trout. Tiny, tiny thing. He's probably, I don't know, 10 inches. Oh yeah, it's a slam. Yes. That's a redfish. Alright. We got all 3. 1 of each today. We're at 2 snook. Alright. Alright. Just up to the shrimp. We got it a couple casts in. Alright. Oh, that's a nice red. I got a 3/16 Haas Helix. What we list, because we're in the grass right here. There's some grass. Alright. Alright. Good size red. He is 20 and 19 and a half. Let's say 19. Let's say 19. Right there on the shrimp. I've had good luck with this color. Nice fish. Let's see. There he goes.